How to create a Facebook account from your mobile device. To create a Facebook account from your phone, first download the Facebook app. Then once you have it opened, select Sign Up for Facebook in the bottom of your screen. Then select Get Started. You can begin creating your account by entering your profile name. This is the name that will appear on your profile and when you friend other people. Once you have your name entered, select Next or Go. Then enter your birthday and select Continue. Facebook then asks you to enter your gender. You can choose from female, male, or a custom option which allows you to choose a specific pronoun. You then need to enter a mobile number or an email address that can be connected to your profile. This is to be used for logging in or if you need to reset your password. We're going to select to use an email address. Enter the email address you'd like associated with your profile and click Next. You can then create a password that follows Facebook's guidelines and use it for logging into your account. Once you have your password entered, click Next. Your profile details have now all been entered, and to complete the process for creating your account, click Sign Up. Facebook will then send you a confirmation code either by email or text to verify your account. To enter the confirmation code, go to the message Facebook has sent you and copy the code from the message. Then paste it into the confirmation code field and click Submit. Your Facebook profile has now been created, and you can begin to customize your profile by adding a cover photo, a profile image, and editing your public details. And that's how to create a Facebook profile from a mobile device. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.